Yo guys, so I came here. I would just want to speak about something. It's gonna be like a real quick video. I just want to say that I don't know if it was the videos or like it was just that my life right now is very stressful. Like I have some uni exams, have some shit coming up, um, and also not running out of money, but I'm kind of running out of money, like getting a bit harder. So I just wanted to say that I'm not gonna do videos for some time already. Like for some time from now, I'm not gonna do videos. I blew my account, no, sorry, not my accounts, my evals on Friday. I took $1,000 loss, and then yesterday was Monday. I took a 150. Oh wait, sorry. So, okay, so I blew my evals on Friday. I took a $1,000 loss on the evals. I feel like my camera is dirty. Anyway, yeah. So and then I also took a winning day for $165 on Friday, and then yesterday I lost a winning day, which costed me $140. So my XFAs are like $25 up, but I blew the evals. You guys can see I have massive fucking under eyes. Like I'm fucking studying some bullshit statistics right here. Today I took a break even uh, for a winning day. Winning day trade, nothing special. I can show it if you guys want. Mm. That's fucking stats. The stats. Okay, let me just open my fucking top step right here. Okay, there we go. So yeah, like you guys can see, I only have the XFAs, and what I took today was so. Okay, so yeah, we're bullish, right? Pretty bullish. We had these highs here. We had those highs, those highs. We had three stacked up highs, low resistance liquidity. I wanted them, but we invalidated this gap, and we were pushing lower. So I thought that MNQ wanted to at least sweep this low. Well, not a low, but like this wick for us to go for these in case we wanted them. But this one was secured. Well, I was kind of right, kind of wrong, because we literally to the exact tick, and I'm not. I don't like. I mean it to the exact tick. We fucking didn't sweep it, right? And then we fucking full on reversed. So I got a break even. I entered. I entered like this a little bit before the candle closed. At first, I was targeting this. Okay, I was targeting the second thing. Once once I felt like we could kind of shit the bed because we came all the way down here, we edged it, we came all the way up here. I was like, okay, we have a gap, so I'm not gonna go break even because we have a massive gap. I'm thinking that we're gonna hold the massive gap, obviously. Boom. When we fucking so I took one position here, one contract, exactly one contract here, and when we came to the gap and we started reversing down, I added another contract right here. So I was on two contracts now, and my like my, let's say, original position was like break even like there, okay. So my I don't know if I deleted the wrong one or the right one. Wait, let me see. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So yeah, so I added it. Oh, sorry. So I added shorts, and I had like my shit like there or something. I don't know, whatever. And then I did what? I pulled my SL here for $90. $90 because I was like, okay, we should not go back there. I don't want us to chop. So I put my SL for $90 and I put my TP here. Okay, no, see here a little bit more down, something like that. Why one to four? Because it was $90. So my TP was 150. You know what I'm saying? It was even maybe more here, something like that. But it wasn't a draw. And then we came here, we took the draw, and we went back up. I was like, okay, shit is over. Shit is over, you know. And then I held this candle. I held this candle, and thankfully, on the last candle, so on this candle right here, I just put my TP break even and I got stopped at a break even for this. And what the fuck did we do? Brother, New York session, we move like this. Like we're moving, but we're not decided. We're not clean price action, you know? And then after, bro, look at this. If this had a volume, like actual bigger candles, I would enter. I was gonna enter probably on that 15-minute close. Beautiful. For the second draw, obviously, because the first one there's no space. But no volume, so I'm not entering that, because if I get fucking stopped out with a one candle, I will be mad. Like I will be mad. Tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna stop doing the videos because I think I have been trading worst and I was trading better before. I feel like also the videos, they kind of somehow they give me some sort of pressure or some sort of like I need to explain myself to someone. And the thing that I love about trading is like I like to trade and not need to explain myself to anybody if I took a loss or if I took a win, or just, you know, have the responsibility of it. So for now, I will stop with the channel. For now, I will stop with the channel. But I mean, it really helps me like when I do it because of, you know, because of journaling. But I don't want to like fuck up my trading right now. I'm just planning to get this payout. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get the payout, and then, you know, just when I get the payout, I'm gonna come here and post a video about it, like got my payout, whatever, and then I'm gonna show like, you know, the days that I won, the days that I lost, or the break evens, okay, and then maybe afterwards, you know, because I want the payout, the want the payout just obviously to give him some more cash. But I don't care if it could be $600. I don't care. You know, extra cash is extra cash. Extra cash for evals, you know, for me to be safe. But I want it more for like, okay, I'm yapping a lot. It was not supposed to be this long, but like I want it more for like, just give me a little bit more of confidence, you know, just give me a little bit more of like, okay, this shit actually happening. I'm actually getting consistent payouts. You know, I'm being profitable. And I feel like I have been training more emotionally lately because I don't know if this is because of the videos, like I said, or because of, you know, my life overall is just stressed, and like sometimes I speak with my parents while training and I probably shouldn't, because, you know, I put extra pressure on myself and all of that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna stop with the videos for now because I'm not sure if this is them or not. And sorry, but I prefer to just, you know, focus on my trading getting better than the videos. You know, I did say I was gonna be full transparent, and I'm being full transparent. I don't mind. You know, I can come here and tell you guys that I blew the account on Friday, and it was the first trade was stupid because I took like $400 loss and then a $600 loss. The $400 loss, I tried to trade a pre-market and it didn't work. You know, I was aiming for like the data. I was aiming for data. Yeah, I was aiming for data highs, but then we just crushed lower, so I got stopped out. And then after, I took a loss. Anyway, it was the most unbelievable day ever. Me and my friend were laughing about it. If you guys are interested, one day I might show it, or I might just show it for my own will. But yeah, it was crazy. And yeah, so I'm transparent. I don't mind coming here and saying I lost. Like, I'm not the best trader in the world. I don't sell a course. I don't depend on this shit. You know, I can fucking come here and just say that I blew my accounts, or I don't know, I full on fucking FOMO and I entered here and I lost. It can happen. It can happen. I'm not gonna lie, it can happen. You know, it hasn't happened in a while. But for example, Friday I took a shit trade. You know, the pre-market trade was a risky trade. I should have taken it. You know, I acted emotionally, and I should have taken it easily. You know, but yeah. So also, yeah. So also, I'm not planning to buy any evals anytime soon. I'm planning to get the evals when I get this payout from this XFAs. Since now I have I have 3 winning days left. Sorry, I have 3 winning days left, and I'm quite sure. I'm gonna get it. Like pretty fucking sure. I think tomorrow I will risk heavier. So I might raise this to like $350 or something. It depends. If the setup is good, I don't mind. You know, it's CPI. You know, I think it's my most profitable day CPI. So I can risk. I could even risk half the fucking drawdown. I could risk $500 and be fine if I lost. because that's how I know that it's a good day for me. You know, I genuinely have a high win rate in CPI, and I like to trade data highs and data lows. So I would risk $500, and if I lost, took the bad side of the probabilities as well. If this is a statistical loss and not a fucking formal trade, I'm fine. There's no problem for me, you know, it happens. Business costs. But anyway, that's it, you know, for some time now, not many videos. And I'm just gonna try to focus on the trading. I'm trying also fucking watching some driving license shit. Fuck man, I'm full of shit, I'm not gonna lie. Like I have some exams coming up and my subject is super hard. And then I have the driving license and I have some money shortages. You know, I have my crypto shitting the bed. Yep. Look at that. Yeah, we're not looking good. I'm predicting. Okay. I have two scenarios in case you guys like crypto. Either I was predicting that we're gonna just come here, go a little bit up, and then shit the bed. Sweep this low, and then immediately go back into the range bound. Immediately go back into the range bound, and then we come here and for sure sweep this, you know, liquidate everybody that is here, shorting the market. And if we go here, we stay above this high and we go to 80K. 80K is a dangerous spot. If we go past 80K, brother, we're going to 100. Telling you. If we crush 100 and we maintain ourselves above, we go to all-time highs. No joke. If not all-time highs, like I would say on this margin, like minimum 116. You know, if you want to do a lower high, we gotta go at least there. So yes, or we can just literally just, you know, we threatened that we're gonna leave the range bound. We came down here to, you know, now go take it. It really depends on CPI tomorrow. Anyway, you guys are not here for crypto. This is just extra, but yeah, regardless. Okay. So that's it. No videos for some time. And when I get the payout, I'm going to make a video and explain everything, okay? Cool. Peace.